In today's video, I'll be showing you how to custom cut LED strip lights so you can get perfect angles around, say, a TV like this, so you can then make it look like this. If you're interested in how to make these lights beat to the sound of music, check out the cards at the end of the video. The first thing I encourage you to do is take it by segments. Figure out where your starting point is and where you're going to make your first cut. The strip lights are clearly marked where you can safely cut them. In order to cut them for perfect 90-degree angles, you'll want to get some LED strip connectors with T-shaped splitters. So you don't have to use the adhesive on the lights themselves. I would also recommend adhesive cable clips so it's easier to dismount and reuse these lights as needed, all of which I'll link below. And then just to show the adhesive stuff, you just take the red piece off there, you clip it to the TV, and then the LED strip lights just basically notch right in there very nicely. Alright, so now that you made your first cut, it's time to insert your end into one of the connectors on the one side. On the other side, you'll slip in a T-shaped connector so you can have that perfect 90-degree angle. And then you just close the connectors and you're pretty much ready to go with the next segment. One thing I highly recommend is that you plug your lights in and test after each segment you add. You can see I made a little mistake here, and it's easier to correct this along the way rather than try to figure out what you did wrong after you're finished. So now essentially you follow the same concepts all the way around the TV, and when you're finished, you have yourself a set of nice custom LED lights. Look how good this looks. Who wouldn't want a custom cut like this behind their TV? For those of you that are detail-oriented, you may have noticed, or even cringed, that my TV is not centered on the TV stand. That's because at the time of recording this, I had a Bowflex in my living room, and I didn't want it in the shot. Hey, thanks for watching. You should probably subscribe and hit that bell or something, and give this video a like, and we'll see you next time.